Hey, this will be a video chart on IMDS. I had some questions coming on this one yesterday on the initial volume surge, but I already had some other charts I was going to do, and I wanted to see, just watch how it would react and see if there's any sort of follow through. Because there's been days in the past, here's a good example where you've seen an increase in volume and then nothing has happened. But yesterday the increase in volume came, and then today, volume came in again, but the price reacted, bullishly and made a move upwards. So now I feel more kind of confident doing a video here and updating things from the technical perspective. So the first thing I want to do is just map out some support levels. The first support level that really sticks out is this level right here, and change this to green to represent support, and then I'll go where this came from. But if we look through the history of the chart, you can see here a bunch of times acted as support, here a couple times, but then when it failed, you can see here came back up. Great example of a support turning into a resistance. So right here at 0008 is going to be the first level of support, and then there's going to be another one just right down here at 0007. So we'll just kind of call this the support zone, and this is just simply coming from, I'll show that. Let me first get this changed to green here. So again, if you go back and look through the price history, you can see acted as resistance, closed right there, acted as resistance, resistance a couple days in a row there. So you get the point. So 0007 to 0008 is going to be what the key area of support that we'll just call the support zone. But then you also have the 50-day simple moving average down here, which is valued at 0005. So that's another key level of support, and really in the grand scheme of things and for the overall chart, as long as the price can remain above the 50-day, that's what you want to see. But ideally, obviously closing up here in the double zeros, nobody would want to see it drop all the way down to the 0005. But again, if you care about the long-term chart, then as long as the price can remain above this longer-term moving average, then that will be bullish in the longer term. In terms of resistance levels, first one that sticks out is right here at 0012. So we'll change just to red here to represent resistance. You can see here acted as resistance a bunch of times, so that's just simply where that one's coming from. And then after that, right here is the level, and not only did today's high hit it, but if you look back here through the previous, you can see acted as resistance there, acted as resistance a bunch of times there, and all sorts of price history right around this 0014 area. So 0012, 0014 are going to be the two key levels of resistance, and then if you can get some closes up above that, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart and point out where the next levels of resistance are. But that is currently where the chart stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was IMDS. Thanks for listening.